China will never learn from a world superpower. China will never try to be hegemonic. You are talking about new China's nationalism. I don't know where did you learn that. Maybe from some American biased journalists. But they are a great politician. You are not a biased journalist, sir. China will never try to be like a superpower, like the United States of America. History is the best teacher. Some American politicians have forgotten their own history. Now there are people are talking a lot about the trade war between the U.S. and China. They forgot about the trade war with the former rulers, the British colonialists. You have your forefathers to be ruled, to be exploited, to be bullied by the Western European colonialists. So after you got independence, you developed so fast. When you became the number one economy, the number one military power, you became a student, a learner of your former boss, the British. You want to bully others. In 1900, you joined the other Western imperialists to invade China. In the 1950s, America took the lead to invade the Korean Peninsula. And you made a lot of trouble in the Middle East and around the Arab world. They betrayed their forefathers' promise, and they continued to interfere into China's internal affairs. This only damages the image of America in front of the world people. For the future, I only hope we remember one of the rulers of EAU told us, we have to start our future from today, not from tomorrow. I hope all the American politicians will realize the serious and the stupid mistake they already have committed.
As we've said, it was a candid exchange.